Welcome to Finance Investor Lab. With 2026 just around the corner, everyone's asking, where should I put my money? Bitcoin for quick gains, stocks for steady growth, or start a business for full control? If you're a beginner feeling overwhelmed, you're not alone. Today, I'll break it down step by step with real data, no hype. Just honest insights from top analysts. We'll cover predictions, risks, and simple tips to get started. Let's dive in. Macro overview. Why 2026 matters for beginners. First, let's set the stage. 2026 is shaping up to be a year of uncertainty and opportunity. The Fed's rate cuts are slowing, inflation might linger, but AI and tech booms are pushing growth. For beginners, the key is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Think of it like a buffet. Sample a bit of everything to avoid getting burned. Real data shows U.S. large cap equities in financials, utilities, and tech could outperform, while safe haven assets like gold and bonds offer stability. Now, step by step, we'll explore Bitcoin, stocks, business ideas, and which might be best for you. Step 1, Bitcoin in 2026, predictions and tips. Bitcoin, it's volatile but exciting. As of December 2025, Bitcoin's around $90,000 after hitting $126,000 highs. For 2026, predictions vary wildly. Bullish analysts say it could hit $150,000 if history repeats post-dips. Others forecast $91,000 to $94,000 by early 2026, with potential up to $120,000 to $125,000. Bearish views warn of a drop to $10,000 if competition from other cryptos like Tron surges. 2026 could be the dawn of the institutional era, with more ETFs and big players entering. For beginners, only invest what you can afford to lose. Aim for 5 to 10% of your portfolio. Use dollar cost averaging. Buy a little every month to smooth out volatility. Alternatives like Bitcoin ETFs are safer than direct trading. Confusion cleared. Think of Bitcoin as a roller coaster, thrilling, but not for the faint-hearted. If recession hits, it might dip, but long-term, many see rebound by 2027. Step 2, stocks in 2026. Best picks and strategies. Stocks, safer for beginners than crypto. 2026 might see a resilient market, focusing on quality stocks in uncertain times. Top picks include Magnificent 7 like Apple, Amazon, top internet pick for 2026, Meta, and Nvidia for AI growth. Other strong ones, LVMH for luxury, AMD, Broadcom, Taiwan Semiconductor for chips, and Alphabet. AI infrastructure like CRWV, APLD, NBIS, IREN are hot for value investors. Tech might reset, but utilities and financials could shine. Beginner tips. Start with index funds like VOO, S&P 500, or VFIX for broad exposure. Low risk, steady 7 to 10% annual returns historically. Avoid day trading, go long term. 4 strategies. Diversify, focus on U.S. large caps, use ETFs, and rebalance with funds like those from Fidelity. Confusion cleared. Stocks are like a slow cooker, set it and forget it, unlike Bitcoin's microwave speed. Step 3, starting a business in 2026. Ideas and how-to. Starting a business. If you want control, this beats passive investing. 2026 trends. AI, sustainability, health tech. Low-cost ideas. Freelance writing, design, coding, print on demand, POD for custom merch, dropshipping, virtual assistant, bookkeeping, tax prep. High impact, workforce reskilling, AI training sites, scam prevention tools, supply chain resilience, human AI collaboration. Modern ones. Cleaning services, dog walking, mobile car wash, tutoring, fitness training. For beginners, start small with $505,000 or as equivalent. Validate by fixing something broken or saving time, money. 2026 winners aren't unique, they're practical. Steps, idea poll on Reddit, build on Shopify, Dart, Upwork, market via social. Confusion cleared, business is like planting. A seed needs effort, but grows your wealth independently. Step 4, which is best for you? Plus Q&A. So, what's best? It depends. Low-risk beginners, stocks, index funds, 40% portfolio. Medium risk, Bitcoin alts, 10-20%. High reward control, business, diversify, mix all 3. Real advice from ex-bankers. Start with high-yield savings, CDs, then branch out. Q&A, what if I'm under 18? Use custodial accounts. Start today. Auto-invest 10-15% income. Not financial advice, DYOR. Comment your 2026 plan below. I'll reply to a few, like subscribe for more beginner guides. See you next time.